How's it going, everybody? This is part three to the how to present the audit and close the sale. And this part, I'm actually going to be covering closing the deal. And we've already presented the audit in the last two videos that we went over. And this is the part where we're actually going to, at the very end, if they say yes, we'd like you to, do whatever it is, whatever service they sign up for. That's when you're going to pull your service agreement out. And this is a service agreement I use. It's pretty flexible to what I do in my company. And I've also provided a link in the files of the private group I started if you want to download that. And so I'm not going to go over it completely everything that's on the service agreement because you can pretty much read it and see what's on there. I will go over some highlights. So right here, fill in the appropriate information here. Here I would fill in the pricing information, what package they chose. So if they, like I said, if you see my pricing video, you know that my packages are matched to the clients. So that's when I would go in here and write in exactly what package they chose. I would put the amount due every month. I would put if it's just a single payment, whatever the case may be. And then I would go in here and get any information I needed for any of their social media accounts, and then going on down, I would have them sign the document. So, and also one thing to mention too is that you're going to want to have a credit card authorization form if you're going to be charging a credit card monthly, and I'll actually provide that link as well in the private group if you want to download my credit authorization form. So what we'll do is, like I said, so we've gotten to the end of the meeting, and they've said, let's say they want to sign up for their Google Business Page Management and they want to start running Facebook ads. So what I would do is I would say, okay, you fit into our $9.97 a month package, our gold package. I would go in here and I would write out, like I said, gold package for $9.97 a month, and I would select what services they're doing. So let's say next month rolls around and they want to upgrade, we would fill out a new service agreement and select the new packages according to what they want to do. And this service agreement is valid continuously as long as they continue to pay monthly for whatever service they want us to provide for them. The only time I would ever fill out a new document is if they want to upgrade or downgrade a different service. And so that's essentially how I actually close the deal. There's several different ways you can actually take payment. You can do it by check if you have your company set up, appropriately to take checks. I actually prefer to use Square because I can manually enter cards, I can swipe cards, I can charge cards recurring. There's also Stripe. Do your research on what payment source you want to use. But yeah, you could swipe the card there. You could put the card on file in that credit authorization form, or you could take a check and then you could begin your services. So that's how I present the audit. That's how I talk about money at the end, and that's how I fill out the agreement so we can begin work. So I hope this is a little bit shorter video, but I hope it explains, you know, how I actually closed the deal. And as always, if there's anything I didn't explain or anything you need me to go into more detail about, please reach out to me. And as I stated before, the best place to get in touch with me is in the private group I've created. Um, but if there's anything you need, anything I can help you with, reach out to me. Leave a comment here, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way I can. And if you want the downloads to any of the information I've shared, it's going to be in that private group as well. So keep hustling, keep grinding. I hope this helps. And like I said, reach out if you need anything.